In the last 10 years, India has embarked on a powerful journey of defense transformation. Through the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, India is reducing its dependency on foreign imports by strengthening homegrown defense manufacturing. Defense corridors in key states have become epicenters of innovation. DRDO's contributions stand out, with the development of the Tejas Mk-1A fighter jet, Astra missile, and Pinaka rocket system. India is designing weapons for tomorrow. The rise of space and cyber warfare has not gone unnoticed. India's defense space and cyber agencies are securing the digital and orbital frontiers. The 2019 ASAT test firmly established India's space deterrence. Armed forces modernization is ongoing. From Rafales and Apaches to S-400s, India's military is evolving to meet future challenges. Defense exports have seen exponential growth. Indian platforms like the BrahMos missile and advanced light helicopters are now globally recognized. Strategic collaborations with countries like the US, France, and Israel have laid the groundwork for joint manufacturing and technology exchange. India's defense story over the past decade is not just about strengthening security, it's about building capability, creating global impact, and preparing for a self-reliant future.